Alright, so we're going to make an easy Play-Doh recipe. A great thing to do if you're stuck inside on a rainy day like today. So, dries, we need a half cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt. Seems like a ridiculous amount of salt, but we'll stop kids from eating it. A teaspoon of cream of tartar. This is to make it more supple and pliable. The Play-Doh, not the kid. So wet ingredients, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a half cup of water, and we're going to make green today. My big special trick here is we're going to mix the food coloring in the water first so that we don't have to get the food coloring all over our hands and knead it all together. And this should make it more consistently green. Okay, dry ingredients, going to mix well. Wet ingredients, water, and food coloring first. I'm going to put about 10 drops. All right, and mix that up a little. Woo, lovely. Okay, green, my nephew's favorite color, and then the vegetable oil. Easy peasy. Okay, dry ingredients in. Mix it up, and we're gonna heat it on medium for a couple of minutes. Stir it pretty constantly, and it should, if this all works out well, make a nice dough. Probably need to stir this about 4 or 5 minutes. So I want to come back to the video after we've stirred this for a few. That was nowhere close to 5 minutes, maybe like 1.5 minutes, but it's made this nice sort of good paste there. So then we're going to turn it out onto our chopping mat / plastic cutting board here. Boop, boop, boop. Turn it out, yeah. I'm going to scoop it off with the fingers. A little bit more in here. So this is plenty for one batch. You could even do this in half if you wanted to, and you can make different colors, of course, in different batches. It goes real quickly. All right, that's good. I'm going to put my pot in the water so it doesn't all dry on there. Going to knead a little bit, just like making bread dough, pizza dough. It is a lovely consistent green. All right, so knead this up for a few minutes. Probably real bread makers would take exception to my kneading technique, but then again, this isn't real bread. All right, I think it's pretty good. Feels like Play-Doh. Looks like Play-Doh. Now you can, yeah, smells like Play-Doh. All right, you can make worms and stuff, like whatever you used to make when you were a kid, or if you are a kid, whatever you make now. Little worms, little mustache. Thank you.